Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the low beams in a 2016 Ford Expedition, but this will also basically go over how to change any of the bulbs in there, because you've got to remove this entire assembly to change any of the bulbs. So you've got to remove these two bolts here. They're 10 millimeter, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now that those two bolts are removed, this will just pull straight out. You might need two hands. I like to grab down here and then put one hand up top here, and it'll just pop out. So there we go. You can see that there's two little dowels that slide in there. And so we've got this all removed. And the inside light here is the high beam, and this one will be the low beam. And then you've got the turn signal down here. And I believe that this is a 755, 744. So if you're at the store, you want to look for a bulb with the code 744 in amber. And it just rotates back in. And then these high and low beams both have these little cover things, and they just pull off. Keep any moisture out. Stick your finger in there and rotate it counterclockwise. And then you pull this out, and then there's a tab. You just pull on that, and you can pull this off. And should be H11, which is what I've got here. And I believe the high beams, I've already replaced these, are 9005. Yep, 9005. So I've got the new bulb here. Just gonna plug it in and then reinstall it. Alright, so that's in there. Now we just gotta reinstall this cover. And it's a little bit tricky, so work it around. There we go, that's all on. And this little cover here, I stuck my finger in there. There's nothing there. I don't know what this is for. It must be for something, but there's no bulb there, so don't worry about that. And now to reinstall this, we're just going to push it back on like that. And now we've got to put these bolts back in. And so now we've just got to tighten these bolts back up, and we're all done. And both these sides are basically the same, just on the other side of the vehicle. And so that's how you replace the bulbs in your headlamp on a 2016 Ford Expedition.